Hi guys, my name is Tony Tromp. I'm currently developing Crossfire, which is a Firefly media client for the iPhone. Next to the iPhone, it also supports, of course, desktop devices, and the main goal of the development is support a wide range of devices. So device recognition has been built in, and currently it's just a matter of building the right template for the right device. And you can have this functionality on any phone or any PDA. Right now I'm showing you the iPhone version, which I created a special template using JPint, which is an excellent API for iPhone development. Yeah, let's just navigate to the main functions. We got the browse function, we got the search function, configuration utility, and of course the about button. First of all, I'm going to show you the browse functionality, which enables me to browse to my music collection of Firefly. So I can select there, and you can see it swiftly moves with JPint. It integrates quite nicely. I can select my artist, and after it's loading, it comes into view. And if I scroll down a bit, you can see that you can load more pages. The album size, the amount of results that you want to view is completely customizable. Of course, the more you set it to, the slower it will load. So I've got it quite low. Also for testing purposes, I like to have some speed in the application. What I'm going to show you is, for instance, basement jacks. I can click it. It will directly show you the amount of albums I've got of basement jacks. Don't tell this to IRA. I will select the album Ruthie, and now you can see all the songs of this album. Of course, I can just scroll through it and select the song that I want. For instance, Where's Your Head At? It will load now, and it will compile a complete playlist of the album. So behind this is a playlist which will be used to play the whole album. This is something that was a bit tricky to accomplish without any iPhone manuals help, of course. So I will show you the play button, and there it is. So as you can see, it plays the song nicely, and you can also use the skip functionality. I'll skip it to the end, if my finger allows it to. 12 seconds, 15 seconds, that's fine. So the basic thing what it does is it plays the whole album. Of course it will skip the track which you just listened to. So now it will load the first track of the album automatically. And there we go. So Crossfire is a full enabled streaming audio client, as you may know. Yeah, this version really embeds a most powerful GUI engine, which can be highly configured for any devices. So let's stop this song. We will go back, and there we have the small quit button. Now I will show you some other features that Crossfire has. We'll just go back to the main page. Well, of course, there's search functionality. On this page you can basically search any kind of music or on artist, or you can specify album or song name or composer or genre. Yeah, let's just stick with the first. I can put in FE, which I definitely know I've got some artist names that will show up. And now you can see the results. So I've got 3 results: Fear Factory, Peter, and Felix the House Cat, which of course all start with FE. Now if I click, for instance, Fear Factory, you can see all the albums that I've had on Fear Factory, and of course I can dive in deeper and select any song of that album and play it as before. So that is the search functionality. Of course there are a whole lot more options, and you can search by anything. So those are one of the main goals, of course, when you want streaming from your home device. Either that can be Crossfire can be installed on a desktop PC or a Linux device or an embedded device. I created this little application to support my MyBook, which I hacked a while ago to so I can basically put this on there without having my PC on, which is always nice, of course. So hopefully you got something similar that you can make use of. Next I'm going to show you the configuration. Of course the about is not that interesting. In here I can connect to different Firefly servers. So if I got multiple Firefly servers, I can specify it here. Currently this is running on my desktop, so it just specifies localhost, which loads nice and quickly. This is, by the way, this is not the IP address which is used to connect to Crossfire, because that is located on the top, of course, which is the IP address of my server. I can specify skins. As I already told you, Crossfire is highly configurable with skins. It uses a couple of skins which make use of JPind. I also added a couple of skins which are just plain navigation, which loads a bit quicker. Of course it's not as fancy, because JPind does add all that nice look and feel that you want to expect on your iPhone. So for instance, I created a couple of themes which I will include at the release date, which probably will be somewhere next week or the week onwards. I will select here a new theme, and right now if I click done, you can see here I've got my new theme loaded. And it's got the same layout, different buttons, slightly different things. The main thing about theming with Crossfire is every theme can have its complete different set of look and feel. So currently you see that the search will look quite similar, but I can assure you that you can customize it per theme completely. So I'll show you some other themes that I created. Right now you see that the theme on this theme, the theme select item has moved down, which is of course not a problem. Select Apple. And you can see another theme. So there you go. I hope to show you, have shown you the theming capabilities of Crossfire. Also have showed you how to play and how to search music with Crossfire. Hopefully you download Crossfire on www.sourceforge.net. Well, it would be great help if you could support the application by just dropping a note, giving some comments what you think about it. Okay,